Hello team, instructions for week 9. We are covering chapter 11. Before we get into that, your first item, complete the chapter 7 and 8 exam. This is an 80-point exam, 40 total questions, multiple choice and true false. When you enter the exam, you will need a code. It is listed in instructions, or the code is BC13078. BC13078. Again, you can find that exam code in instructions. There is a 2-hour time limit on the exam. Okay, so let's jump to new content. This week we are reading chapter 11, all about professionalism in the workplace. Please watch the chapter 11 talks. There are 2 this week, and take the quiz. In terms of assignments, you have your chapter 11 Apulia worth 15 points. You have a spelling quiz covering list 11, 20 points. And then lastly, using Panopto, you are going to leave a voicemail message. Now, after you have read the chapter and watched the chapter talk, this will make sense. The instructions are outlined where you will use the 3-point introduction strategy to record a voicemail message. I have also linked instructions as well as a PDF and video links if you struggled with Panopto the first time we used it. Okay, this is marching orders for week 9. Please be in touch with any questions. Thank you.